So, all ready. So today we will cover what are variables and how we can use variables in JavaScript. Then we will go through equals to sign in JavaScript. At last we will do some practicals of variables. So let's start with the variables. Variables are the containers for storing data values. The value of variables can change throughout the program. You can use var keyword to declare a variable. For example, var x equals to 10. So it is a type of some bookish language. So I will explain you in other words. So we use variable for storing data. For example, below we write var x equals to 10. So we assign the value x equals to 10. So in further we write code. For example, document dot write, in brackets we write x. The output we will get was 10 because we assign the value x equals to 10, and you will know more about it in upcoming videos. So moving through the equal to sign. In JavaScript, the equal to sign is called the assignment operator rather than an equal to operator. Example, variable x equals to 10. In the above example, the value 10 is assigned to the variable x. We normally used to say variable x equals to 10 or var equals to 10. So we have to say value 10 is assigned to the variable x rather than var equals to 10 or variable equals to 10. It's only the correct way in JavaScript. So it's time to start with the variable practical so you can understand more betterly and more easily. So let's started with the variable practicals in JavaScript. So moving towards JavaScript, at second line we write var x equals to 100. So we assign the value x equals to 100. At down we write document.write in bracket x. So the value x is 100 and the output we will get 100 because of the x. So let's see, output is 100. Hope you understand it, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and thanks for giving your time.